Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video today is going to be about how I self-published a book on Amazon using KDP. If you want to know more about how I did that, just stay tuned. So I recently published a book through Amazon KDP. It's called Complete Home DIY, Remodel Every Room in Your Home with Ease. And here it is. So there's the front, and here's the back. So Amazon KDP, everybody's familiar with Amazon. They have a service, if you didn't know, called Amazon KDP or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is, the quick rundown of it is, you would create your manuscript. Once you write your book and everything, you would upload the book, set the price, and then when your customers or people buy the book, Amazon prints it on demand, so you don't have to worry about buying 1,000 books and storing them in your house. Amazon prints them as your customers buy them. And so after they buy the book, you'll get royalties or percentage of the book sales. And that's also the nice thing about KDP, because you can kind of do like a trial run, for your book. Say you were trying to test it out and see if it's a book that people would purchase, so you don't have to worry about, again, storing that inventory in your house or in a warehouse or something where the books could possibly collect dust. And it, for me, it's more cost effective because I don't want to hold thousands of books either here in my house or at a facility. So that's good. So on Amazon KDP, there are two options of how you can have a book produced. You can either have a physical copy, like a hard copy that people can buy and actually read, or you can also do the Kindle ebook. For this book that I just self-published, I only did the physical copy through Amazon, but I do have a digital version of the book on my actual website. I'll put that down in the description. If you guys want a digital copy of it, that's where you would get it, on my website. But if you did want a physical copy, you would have to purchase it on Amazon, and then they would print the book and they would send it to you, and then you'd have your copy. If you would like to know more about more in depth about how to upload your book and more step by step, let me know, and I can make another video where I would just share my screen and kind of go through the different options and different settings that you would pick if you were uploading your own book. So just let me know in the comments if that's something you would like to see, and then I can do that for you in the future. So I should probably talk about my book and why I wrote it and different things about it. So the title of the book that I wrote is Complete Home DIY, Remodel Every Room in Your Home with Ease. So this is for a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not a professional as far as doing remodels or anything, so obviously be careful, be safe, if you're taking on any of these projects. But so some of the topics that are covered in the book: choosing the right paint colors, flooring trends, attic renovations, do-it-yourself kitchen remodels, do-it-yourself bathroom remodels, and more. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely pick you up a copy, either on the hard copy on Amazon, or if you head to my website, you can get a digital copy of it. So the cost. So I set the physical copy that's being sold, printed and sold through Amazon. It is $12.99. And then you would just pay tax and shipping. So I think it ends up being probably around like $20, with the tax and the shipping, depending on where you live, of course. And then for a digital copy on my website, it's $9.99, and obviously you don't have to pay any shipping because it's an instant download type of a thing. So a lot of you may not know, but I actually went to school for interior design. I have a bachelor's of fine arts in interior design. So this book was right up my alley as far as offering tips for, a do-it-yourselfer, in order to, fix up their home, remodel their home without feeling stressed. Obviously, if you run into any issues with whatever remodel you're doing, you'd want to consult a professional. You probably want to consult a professional before you get started, depending on what type of projects you are trying to do. So definitely keep that in mind. You can reach out to professionals just to make sure everything is good to go. I feel like there was more that I wanted to talk about with this book, but I think I'm finished. So to supplement my book, I have also created a free manufacturers list. That's again available on the website. I'll leave that down in the description. But the manufacturers list is completely free. You don't even have to buy the book to get it. You can just head to the website and get the free manufacturers list. But while you're there, you might as well get the book too, right? So this list, I have 8 different categories, which pretty much go in line with the chapters in the book. There's 10 chapters in total, but I've given you manufacturers for 8 different categories. So there's paint, flooring, kitchen, bathroom, windows, office, countertops, and lighting. So I'm just going to toss out some of the names of the manufacturers that are included on this list. So we have Benjamin Moore for paint, Shaw for flooring, Pella for windows, for kitchen. We have Craftmade on here, countertops. We have Wilson Art, bathroom, American Standard, lighting. We have GE, and there's over 30 manufacturers on this list. So this will help you, once you get the book and, you figure out what projects you're going to take on, this list will help you, it'll give you a head start on which manufacturers you can look into, research, and possibly use. So once again, you do get that for free on my website as well. So I think that's pretty much it for what I wanted to talk about as far as my first book that I self-published via Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you guys have any questions about anything I've talked about or something I may have missed, please let me know down in the comments, and I will reply back or possibly make a follow-up video for that. So